Hello, sheet shakers, formula fanatics. It's Andrew from Better Sheets. So in this video right now, we have a winner. We have a winner for, we got to 200 subscribers and we made a big mistake. Not in the winner. The winner, before we get too far, I'll announce the winner, but I made a mistake because I didn't read the fine print on YouTube. And YouTube only shows the subscribers to the channel owner who it only shows subscribers who make their profile public. So there's some setting somewhere where you can enable your profile to be public, and then the channel owner will see that you subscribe to them. So there are way less than 200 potential people, and I think that's completely unfair. But I wanted to live up to what I promised you when I got 100 subscribers, is that I said I will give away one Better Sheets membership to someone random that subscribes up until 200. So I did that. So I pulled again a random name from one of the first 200 subscribers. Actually, I gave you a little bit of a chance, an extra week. So we had 218 now subscribers, but we didn't have 218 names to choose from, and that's where I figured out I made that mistake. I didn't read the fine print of YouTube. So to be fairer, anyone can comment down below on this video right here, and your comment will be eligible for a second free membership. So anyone who comments down below, you can comment anything you want, I guess, within reason. Make it family safe. Maybe you just say, I want to win a membership. But if you, let's say, you should also let me know if you're a member, and you should say, if you win this, who will you give it to? Because I will still let people who are members, they're still eligible to receive a membership, but they have to give it away to either a friend, a family member, your mom, your dad, your boss might need this, or maybe even someone who works for you, assistants, virtual assistants, or anyone that you know of that might need to make better sheets. So it's totally unfair if I only let people who have a public profile, because I don't even know how to make my profile public. So at least a bunch of people did, so I have some names to pick from. But from those names, we have a winner here. Let's just see here. It's Jack Co. So if you are Jack Co, get in touch with me. The best way to do that is to email me. I have my email in the About page. Figure out a way. I guess there should be some way for you to message me in YouTube, but I think they took that away. But I'll try to reach out to you, Jacko, and if we connect somewhere, let's do that, and you win a free membership to Better Sheets. And everyone watching this video right now can comment below. You do not have to be a subscriber, even though that's very nice. All you have to do is comment below. The only thing you have to do is comment below. Either tell me, oh, I want to become a winner, or anything cool about Google Sheets. You can comment anything. But if you are a member already and you are still eligible to get a free membership to give to someone else. So what I want you to do below is tell me who will you give your free membership to if you do win. Thank you so much, YouTube subscribers. It's been a joy. If you want to check out how I pick out the winner, I do it by random with a random not a number generator. It equals RAND. Then what you can do out of that is then multiply it by the number you're trying to get. So in this case, there was like 100 or so rows. I wanted to pick out the row of the winner, and so I used index as well. If you want to see how that works on the 100 subscriber winner generate name generator or random number generator video, I'll have that link down below in the description, and you can check that out. So you can see how you can run sort of a random picker as well. If you have to pick a random name or pick out of a large list, that is, at least you can do it in a Google Sheet. I find that the best way. But if you don't have the names and you run into the problem, if you don't have all the names you want to pick from, then it's unfair. So once in Google Sheets, I'm very good, but outside of Google Sheets, it seems like I'm not reading the fine print. But comment down below if you want to win this week's giveaway. So I'm giving away actually 2 since we got to 200 subscribers. Thank you very much, all YouTube subscribers, and more interesting stuff will be on the way. Bye.